Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a really portable little lunch or snack that you can take with you to work or on the go, this little soup from Campbell's is awesome. So this is the Well Yes Power, and these little power bowls are really great because they have at least 10 grams of protein in them. This one has 12 grams. This is the Cajun style chicken soup. It has red beans and barley, and it is so portable. I know that whenever I'm packing a lunch that I'm gonna heat up wherever I'm going, I like something that's really easy and I can just throw in my bag. So this is like totally portable. You can just throw this in your bag and it's already in the little bowl that you're gonna heat it up in. So it just is really handy. And not only that, it's very tasty. So it is the Cajun style. So it's got a little bit of a kick to it and it has a really delicious broth. And I love that it has all the beans and barley. It's really hearty and it definitely fills you up. Even though it only has 180 calories, you feel like you had a good meal. This is something great to add to a quick lunch if you are on the go, or even if you're at home and you're short on time and you're just looking for something really fast. That is also delicious. This is a great option. So I would definitely recommend this soup, and that's my point of view.